Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I towed my car to Skylake Collisions. We're gonna have my friend Ben help me out with the car. He's gonna do his own diagnostics and then we're gonna go from there. All right, this is the man who's gonna save the day and help me rebuild the motor. This is Ben.
Help you? You got a bill coming.
Well, I mean, I never said it was for free. I said you're gonna help me.
I do love cars. Does this thing remind me of the first Beetle I freaking rebuilt? Absolutely. I was like 11 years old. We're gonna take care of this. I'm not worried about it.
What are we gonna start with? Compression test?
Yeah.
All right, compression test. Let's go.
All right, go ahead. Beautiful. 125 psi. Cylinder number 5. Beautiful. Healthier than most of your cars on the road. It's a 1989. Go ahead.
All right, going.
Beautiful.
How many cylinders down? That's 2 good ones?
3.
3 good ones.
3 amazing ones.
3 amazing ones.
5, 6, and 7 have been done. I'm going to number 8 right now. Go. Amazing. I think you got something loose in your head, not in the actual motor.
So that one is the one I thought was 6 that had the oil. So that is number what?
2.
2? All right, so then maybe it's 2 now.
Yeah. Beautiful.
That's beautiful too? What the f?
You don't understand. Out of this motor, I'm expecting 90 psi, 100, which is still perfectly good for running. You got 150 across all 6 so far. Wow. So I'm, again, beautiful. All right. I got tired of saying beautiful.
I'm saying if they all test good, it's gonna be weird.
Is it?
Yeah, because what is that slap then?
Probably a bottom bearing on the crank. All right. Still good enough to run. 110 psi.
Huh. All right, so compression check, you would say passed.
100%.
All right. Next test then.
You see over here the silver?
Yeah.
Light metal shavings. So far, I don't see anything too concerning. I'm gonna remove the fuel filter. We're gonna check to see what type of debris we got in there. Same type of operation that we're doing on the oil filter. That's what I call seized right there. That's what I call clogged fuel filters most likely. So I got access now like this, and look at that. The fact that it's that seized?
It's probably never been changed.
Probably.
I wouldn't be surprised. Well, this car only has 15,000 miles and it's that.
Yeah,
most of
never
its
been
life.
changed.
Oh yeah.
See that?
You want to put air compressor?
Yeah. Definitely got a clogged filter on the driver's side. Probably assuming passenger side is gonna be the same. Now we got the passenger side out. Yeah, it's just as bad. So both fuel filters got to be changed, which is fine. It's not a big deal.
Regarding the motor turning on, fuel filters, spark plugs, wires, module for the coil, as a start, definitely. So for the slap noise, we're gonna put this thing up on the lift and we're actually gonna open up the oil pan. We're gonna see underneath.
My Uber Eats arrived. Uber Eats? For Sebastian?
Uber Eats.
Oh, thank you so much.
There you go. The most expensive Uber Eats you've ever seen.
Yes. So Robert, most of everyone would remember you from Head to Head, but now we're doing our own thing.
We're not here to talk about my Ferrari. We're here to talk about your Ferrari.
Forward! Yeah, I know, I'm sliding, bro.
I told you.
All I'm doing is sliding. There you go. You're about to hop. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. You gonna jag.
Exotic car fitness.
I like that.
We're airborne.
Was that already there? What you had there?
What?
There was like these
Metal
springs.
pieces?
Yeah.
No, it's from that.
Huh.
That's correct.
Yeah, we got more metal. Probably a crank bearing. If that's the case, then yeah, we're talking about an engine rebuild. Well, that was what I was more concerned about.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it can't be done.
I'm saying motor
Saying
doesn't
my-
even have to come out now.
Saying my wallet.
motor
Well,
doesn't-
yeah, we do for the timing.
Not even.
Yes.
No.
How?
Are you kidding me?
You can't do it from down here.
Yeah. Ow. Yeah.
I mean, if you prove me wrong, I always say you're right. I'm not afraid to say I'm wrong, but it just doesn't make sense to me. But do it.
Okay.
But you must have known.
Correct.
Classic Ferrari was gonna have some excitement.
Listen, the Mondial is not a bad car. What happened was I bought the car. No, it's not. No, hold. No. What happened was I bought the car out of excitement and I never really checked it. So it's my fault.
So let this be a warning. Always get a PPI.
Toyota, anything.
Any
please,
car,
check the car.
PPI. Go pay for it. It's worth it.
Yes.
I should have done it too.
Ugh. Well, cylinder number 1 was the one I thought was a problem, and apparently it was the strongest one. And also cylinder number 1 was cylinder number 8, or whatever.
I didn't want to mention that, but you said it, so.
We'll do the remaining oil from here also to see if any metal comes out. I couldn't really get to that on the floor as easy. Alright, so we took the cap off finally, and you can see there is metal in there. And if you look at the oil, you can see a lot more shavings. So yeah, we probably have crank bearings that are completely shot. So at least we have an idea of what we're working with.
You want to do something funny? Got a lot of cool stuff planned.
about the 488 though.
It's got a Pure 800 turbo kit, Capristo exhaust, downpipes, Capristo carbon kit, K40 radar jammer. It's either yours works and mine doesn't, or mine works and yours doesn't.
Mine really does not work right now.
But when yours was running great, mine had blown turbos. I don't know if you remember that, but mine was in the shop for a long time too.
They just like to take turns.
Ferrari problems.
You gonna take us out on a ride?
You want to? I live for those downshift sounds. So satisfying.
I don't want to end this video in the shop. Instead, I want to end it on a good note, and I want to talk about this painting right here. This painting was sent to me by Hamlet. He's an automotive artist, and he stumbled upon my YouTube, my Instagram, and he thought to himself, this Mondial owner deserves this painting. And he sent it over to me, and it's such a beautiful piece. Check out his website, check out his Instagram, show him some love because he deserves it. I don't know if I should consider this as fan mail, but this is the first thing regarding my YouTube channel, my Ferrari, a gift that I got, and I find it absolutely amazing. So let's end it with that. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.